grew up playing football. I made football a career. And I went in over 70 countries and I could see closely some of the best practices all over the world. I came across a lot of parents who are looking for help because it's not just coaching that they need. And it is not like every child can go to the same academy and develop. Every child is different. One needs to develop an individual path for each child based on their strengths and their weaknesses. For any individual parent, it is a trial and error process right now. I connected the dots with my experience and with my contacts across different areas of expertise. And I have created a path which is very scientific, where I help the parents to understand what is important and what they should neglect. I want to give the best to my own child, and I wanted to give that experience to all the parents out there who are looking for the best for their child. I would like to help them reach their child's dream in this sport. Although money is not so important, a parent has to take the right steps. You need a 360-degree analysis of the player. The process that I use is used by all the top clubs and top football academies in the world. One truth remains across the ages, which is it is really, really hard to become a professional player. Not because we don't have the talent, but simply because there is no right knowledge and information. Because people don't know how to get there.
Too strong to be defeated. Our light burns bright, and while you're seated, I will stand and I will fight. Too strong to be defeated. My strength is within. I was born for today, and today I will win.
Taking your child to the next level.